Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 69, Applications of Trigonometry, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is x, the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is y. Then the distance of the cloud from the point of observation is. We have solved a similar problem earlier in I think the video number 67. So 66 or 67 it might be. Check that. Okay. Similar problem. Here we are standing at a height h, right? We are not at the lake level or river level, right? See, this is a lake or river, means water, and height h. I am not standing at the river level. I am at a h meters above. Okay. Now what is it? I am looking from here at a cloud. The angle is x. Now I am looking down from here only, and I am seeing the reflection of this cloud over here. Now the important point over here is, see here, I am already h meters above, and let the capital H be the distance between myself, means from vertical height, from B to C, from me to that C vertical height. Let it be capital H. Okay. So when I look down at this cloud in the reflection, what is the total vertical height between me and that reflection? That is h small h first, and then this total height h plus h, that will be fully reflected inside. So the vertical height will be h plus capital H upon h. This is what you have to remember always, because this is the only moot point or only trick in this problem. So let's solve this now. Tan x equals to what? Let's look at this figure. Yeah, tan x equals to what? Capital H upon AB. This is AB. Okay. Therefore, AB equals to what? Capital H upon tan x. Okay. So tan y equals to what now? Depression angle. Tan y equals to, see this, h plus this distance, h plus h, right? Upon AB. Okay. Therefore, AB equals to what? H plus 2h, capital H plus 2 small h upon tan y, right? But AB are same. So what we'll do? Equate them. H upon tan x equals to h plus 2h upon tan y. Remember this capital and small h. Therefore solve this. H cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Take this tan y above, it becomes cot y, and remove the brackets. So to watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.